Hello everyone, welcome to KDR Commerce classes. Today we are here for the official announcement. एक बहुत ही important और एक official announcement है आज जो आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ लेनी है. So what is the official announcement? ये announcement इस तरीके से है कि as per the COVID situations that are prevalent, जिस तरीके की कोविड सिचुएशंस जो प्रिविलेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्षा गायकवाड़ मैम और ऑनरेबल वर्षा गायकवाड़ मैम एंड द सिलेबस रिडक्शन कमेटी जो है उन्होंने एक मेजर डिसीजन लिया है कि एज लाइक द लास्ट ईयर, जैसे प्रीवियस ईयर हमारा कुछ सिलेबस रिड्यूस किया गया था, उसी तरीके से ये साल जो है ये साल में भी 25% ऑफ द सिलेबस विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. सो हमें अभी ये देखना है कि कौन सा सिलेबस हमारा रिड्यूस हो गया है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट द ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन दैट इज गिवन बाय आवर ऑनरेबल वर्षा गायकवाड़ मैम and the syllabus reduction committee. So according to them, what is the notification, what is the announcement, we will be seeing that first. Okay, so you need to pay attention and you have to follow the guidelines. So yes, reduction in syllabus of standard 11th. So आज हम जो syllabus reduction देखने वाले हैं वो है syllabus reduction 11th standard का English युवक भारती according to the year 2020 and 2021. So जैसे मैंने कहा कि previous year जैसे syllabus reduce हुआ था उसी तरीके से 2021, 2022 जो ये हमारा year है इसी में भी same reduction syllabus का रहेगा. So 25% of the syllabus is reduced. So फर्स्ट वन दैट इज आर सेक्शन 1. सेक्शन 1 जो हमारा है वो प्रोज सेक्शन है. प्रोज मीन्स शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, एसेस, बायोग्राफ, स्केचेस. सो ये फर्स्ट प्रोज जो हमारा सेक्शन और यूनिट है उसमें फर्स्ट यूनिट दैट इज 1.1. टेक्स्ट का जो टाइटल है वो है बीइंग नेबरली. So this being neighborly, which is written by Louisa May Alcott, it is reduced or it is cancelled. You are no longer और यू नो लॉन्गर विल बी एबल टू स्टडी दिस, क्योंकि ये जो आपके सिलेबस में से है ये रिड्यूस हो गया है. आपको थोड़ा प्रेशर कम लेने की ज़रूरत है और एज गवर्नमेंट भी कहती है कि प्रेशर कम लेना चाहिए क्योंकि ड्यू टू द कोविड सिचुएशंस ऑलरेडी एवरीवन इज वरीड एंड एवरीवन इज एंशियस. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नोट इट डाउन कि 1.1 जो है बीइंग नेबरली बाय लुइसा मे एल्कॉट इट इज़ रिड्यूस्ड and it is from the page number 1 to page number 14. So come to our textbook and we will first see कि आपके from page number 1 से लेके तो page number 14 तक के क्या syllabus reduce किया गया है. Okay. Yes. So come to page number 1 of your textbook English युवक भारती standard 11th. First come to the index. We will first cut from the index 1.1 being neighborly Louisa May Alcott. Only first we have to highlight 1.1 that is being neighborly. So yes, 1.1 being neighborly that is being reduced. So you need to cut it down. Being neighborly by Louisa May Alcott. Okay. So in our first prose section 1.1, this syllabus is being reduced and the reasons for omitting is it is time consuming. जो first 1.1 है इसका reason ये है कि it is time consuming and the difficulty level is a bit high. थोड़ी difficulty level भी high है and it is time consuming, that's why we are reducing it from our syllabus. The entire text and comprehension activities are omitted. So the note is given and we will see that जो entire text है आपका और जो entire comprehension है ये totally omit है, means the whole story is omitted and the whole vocabulary section it is already omitted. But writing skills जो है, जो writing activities जो हमें inculcate करनी है, जैसे कि narration होता है, extinction of a story है, फिर language study है and the vocabulary activities like idioms and phrases. हमें typical words नहीं लेकिन जो idioms and phrases और proverbs है या तो फिर जो grammatical narration है हमारा direct and indirect speech, that will be there in the text which will be for your self study and from the examination point of view. So here we have to concentrate कि जो entire text है, जो entire comprehension है वो तो totally reduce हो गया है, वो तो totally cancel हो चुका है, but जो हमारी language study है या तो फिर जो हमारे writing skills है they are already there in your syllabus. Okay, so now come to the next one, that is section 2 poetry. जो हमारा section 2 है poetry का, उसमें से 2.6 जो unit है 2.6, that is the text title is the Planners by Boy Kim Chang, that is again reduced. So from the first prose section 1.1 and from section 2 that is poetry 2.6 the Planners by Boy Kim Chang, it is also reduced. So the page number that is being given there in 2.6 that is 91 to 95. So come to the page number 95. Before coming to page number 95, first we will see our index section, that is section 2 poetry. Poetry में 2.6 means from starting from 2.1 to 2.6 there was everything in there in your textbook, but 2.1 से 2.5 तक ही आपको अभी स्टडी करना है और जो 2.6 है ये ऑलरेडी अभी क्या हो गया है, ओमिट हो गया है. Okay, so you need to cancel this properly. So yes, I am highlighting it with the red one, red highlighter, and 2.6 it is cancelled. The Planners by Boy Kim Chang, page number 91 to page number 94. So now come to the textbook. First we will see from page number 1, being neighborly. See, everything is cutted down. You no longer there is a need to study that one. From page number 1 to page number 14. Okay. Because it is time consuming and the difficulty level is bit high, that's why the government notification has been given and it is declared by the government that you no longer need to study this from page number 1 to page number 14. Okay, so इस तरीके से आपका प्रेशर भी थोड़ा कम हो जाने वाला है and it is good for you that you will be concentrating on the core and the important points और ये जो topic है ये आप नहीं पढ़ने वाले हो. Okay, now come to page number 91. एवरीथिंग एल्स वी नीड टू स्टडी. ओके, बाकी सभी हमें अच्छे से स्टडी करना है, लेकिन जो पेज नंबर 91 से है अगेन द प्रोज सेक्शन के अलावा जो पोइट्री सेक्शन है वो भी कैंसल्ड हो गया है. प्लानर्स. This is our concluding part, that is why the page number is 91 and the end part is omitted. Okay, Yes, so see this page number 91, 2.6, the planners. You have to omit this or you have to cut down this. Icebreaker, again you have to cut, everything you have to cut. Poem part also, and then text and comprehension also you have to cut. So now see the notification what is given. The entire text and comprehension activities are omitted. पूरा जो text और comprehension activities है, you are no longer able to study that, means you don't have to study. But writing skill activities that are there, that is dialogue writing is given there. You have to do it for your self study and for examination point of view. So this reduction change is a collaborative decision that is being taken by syllabus reduction committee guided by the chairperson. Okay. So you have to follow this official announcement or the official guideline that is being given by the Maharashtra board to you, and in this way you have to plan your studies. And 1.1 you will not be studying, that is being neighborly, and 2.6 that is from your poetry section, the planners by Boy Kim Chang. It is again a reduction syllabus and you don't have to study this. So yes, here we have seen about the reduction of our syllabus, and in this way you have to plan your studies.